All right, check it out. Today we're changing out some tubular drain work for a kitchen sink. The initial installation here, the drain work was cut too short. As you can see right there at the drop down 90 of the disposal, and they also used an extension on the horizontal, which you're not supposed to do. So we're just gonna go and swap it out, do a new P-trap as well, and get this customer taken care of. Enjoy the video, watch and learn.